Hello friends, my name is Tawfiq and you're watching my channel Graphics Den. So today in this video I'm going to show you how we can create a dripping portrait effect or melting portrait effect in Photoshop, and that too using very simple steps. So let's begin. So first of all, I have selected an image and I have already selected the area that I want to select using the select subject option. Now in this particular example I haven't selected or I haven't made precise selection, but you can do it, you can select it precisely. But since this is not a selection tutorial, so I'm not going to spend so much time on it. So I have made a rough selection. Now I'm going to press Ctrl J, and if you're using Mac you can press Command J to duplicate the selection, and I'm going to delete the background layer, and I'm going to duplicate one more layer, Ctrl J again, and I'm going to create a solid adjustment color layer, and for now I'm going to keep it to gray color. You can choose whatever color you want, and I'm going to place it below the layers. Now I'm going to convert the top layer into a black and white photo, or you can either create it into, or you can either use it desaturate to remove the colors. For now I'm going to use black and white to remove the colors. Now I'm going to select half of the image using rectangle marquee tool like this, and I'm going to apply layer mask. So this is how it will look. This is the layer mask. Now I'm going to convert this into a smart object. Right click and convert to smart object, and I'm going to use a filter, liquify filter on it. So liquify, and I'm going to use the first option, forward warp tool. I will zoom it a little bit so that it is clearly visible, and using the forward warp tool I'm going to make this like this, and keep little bit variation like this, so that it gives us a nice melting effect or dripping effect like this. Press OK. So this is how it will look. Now again I'm going to click on the bottom layer, that is layer 1, and I'm going to apply one more adjustment layer, which is hue saturation adjustment layer. Now without checking the colorize option, I'm going to take the hue slider to the left, so it will give us this reddish color like this. I'm happy with this color, and if you want you can always increase saturation like this. Now I'm going to apply one more adjustment layer, which is color lookup, and I'm going to apply the drop blues effect. So this is how it will look. It has made it a tad bit darker like this. So this is already looking pretty nice. So this is how we can create a dripping effect or melting effect very easily in Photoshop using liquify filter and layer mask option. You can try this on different images, and you can use different effect of liquify, and you will get different variation of this particular effect, but the basic effect remains the same. So that's it for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I will see you in the next video. Until then, bye bye and cheers.